Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can install Teams. So if you are an iOS user, just connect your iPhone or iPad to or any other Apple mobile device to the Wi-Fi, then open the App Store. At the search bar, among the bottom shortcuts that you have over here, go for search. At the search bar, type in Teams. Once the needed app is found, click at the Get button that you'll get over here and wait for the app to get downloaded. Before doing that, if that's your first time getting the Teams, first of all, you instead of the cloud, you'll have the Get button like this one, if I mentioned earlier. And in order to confirm the download of this app, you will also need to either undergo a fingerprint scan, Face ID scan, or enter your Apple ID password. And as you can see, the Microsoft Teams apps was successfully installed. Let me find it at the app library. Here it is. Now I'll drag it to my home screen like so. Alrighty, so if you are an Android user, the start is the same. Just connect your device to Wi-Fi, then open up the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Teams. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. And as you can see, the Microsoft Teams app has been successfully downloaded and installed both on the iOS and Android smartphones. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.